Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start now, make sure airplane mode is off and any laptop hardware Wi-Fi switch is enabled, because Windows can't enable a disabled radio. Open Start, type Settings, and go to Network and Internet, then Status so you're in the right place. You need admin rights for driver and adapter changes, so sign in as an administrator or have credentials ready. Once done, click Change Adapter Options to view the Wi-Fi adapter. This is where you'll begin targeted fixes. Now inspect the adapter. Open Network Connections and right-click the Wi-Fi adapter. Enable it if it's disabled. If it's enabled but not working, open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, and update the driver to the latest or rollback if a recent update broke it. If updates fail, uninstall the adapter device and restart Windows. The system will typically reinstall a clean driver on boot. Make sure to choose drivers from the PC maker, when necessary, to avoid generic driver issues. Finish by running the built-in Network Troubleshooter from Settings right arrow Network and Internet right arrow Status. It can fix config glitches. If issues persist, use Network Reset to remove and reinstall all network components, then reboot. Also verify the WLAN Auto Config service is running and set to automatic so Windows manages Wi-Fi. If you still can't turn Wi-Fi on, one key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.